It's me, Cypher. I am building a game, a cool hangout game. You can build. Actually, no, you can't build. But then I saw a guy, and I'm being stalked by a guy. I am evil guy. My name is hidden because I'm cool. I will steal all your Robux that appear in the game and eat you. I will lie, but I can spot moves. Beep. My name is Celeste Angel and I know how to slip. I'm Cypher's bestie and whoa, Cypher, what the fuck is that?